Hello. Today, we'll be repairing the bottom of this 1928 Model A Cowl. If you own a 28 or 29 Model A, chances are the bottom of the cowl looks something like this. So, did this side yesterday, and today I thought I'd film doing this side. So, this may or may not turn out to be educational, so I just wanted to apologize in advance for wasting your time. Thanks. So I'm going to start by cutting off the rust. On most cowls there are 4 rivets at the bottom here. This is a early 28 cowl, so it's only got 3. So I'll drill the rivets, then use this to mutilate the rest of it. Well, there's the rust cut out. As it turns out, I'm going to have to go up a little bit higher here. You can see there's quite a bit of corrosion still on that edge, so I'll probably end up going right about here and then across. I will be removing this structure and repairing it separately, but I like to leave it in just so that it holds everything square, and then weld this patch in and then remove this. Otherwise it's hard to keep everything in alignment. So next step will be to transfer this onto a piece of metal. Alright, well, this is supposed to have a very slight reverse crown, so I'm just going to take it over to the stretcher there and just lightly stretch this edge. See, there's a very slight low spot in the middle. Is what we want. So there you go. I got the patch panel all clamped into place here, and right now it's overlapping this. So what I've done is I just took a regular flat-bladed screwdriver, scribed all the way along here. Now what I'm going to do, remove this, and then I'll cut the original metal to the line that I scribed, and then everything will fit hopefully nice. So we'll see. So it's all fitted up now, so I'm going to get it tack welded in place with the MIG. Alright, well now that we're all tacked in, I'm gonna grind down these tacks so they're all flush, make any adjustments, and then the sides, or front and back I should say, I'm gonna fully weld that with a MIG, and then this seam here I'm gonna do with a TIG. So yeah, I find that these panels, they always kind of, on these Model A's, they like to warp no matter what you do. So I'm just gonna weld everything all in one pass. I'm not gonna skip around or take my time or anything like that. Got both front and back all MIG welded and ground down. Before I do this seam here, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of this inner structure, and that way I can clean the backside really good for the TIG weld. And I don't have anything in my way, and then I can hammer and dolly this after it's done welding. So well, that concludes this segment on the Model A Roadster repair. Hopefully there will be more coming up soon. But let's have a look at the damage we did to this cowl today. Oh, here's the side I did yesterday. And here's the side we just finished. So, yeah. Stay tuned for more on this Model A Ressurection.